Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Best Buy affiliate program for tech reviews, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with the Best Buy affiliate program for tech reviews, start by visiting the Best Buy website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page to find the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to be redirected to the Best Buy affiliate program information page. Review the key benefits and details provided about the program. When you're ready, look for the Join Now or Sign Up button on the page. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form where you need to input your personal and website information. Fill out each section accurately to ensure a smooth approval process. After completing the form, submit your application for review. It may take some time for Best Buy to process your application. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your application status. Once approved, you will receive access to the affiliate dashboard. Log into the dashboard to find your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Familiarize yourself with the promotional assets available to you. Choose products that align with your tech reviews for optimal engagement. Incorporate your affiliate links into your content strategically. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard to track clicks and sales. Stay updated on promotional offers and seasonal campaigns from Best Buy. Regularly review Best Buy's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. Engage with the Best Buy affiliate community for support and tips. By following these steps, you can effectively connect with the Best Buy affiliate program for your tech reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.